anake anini ni makoretwo makiregana na thirikari iria twinayo makiuga ati igukorwo one term na ithu tukakiyuria atiriri na inyue murona royo atia ituguthie na mbere kana tugukirugamira hau ini wa sida. And then now my mother-in-law na kia gukana shopping ya supermarket rice takidu mafuta okay. So me kwa dia wega.
Riria mwatoranite.
Tugigethie na maundu magithie wega and
Njīra Njigue.
Njīra Njigue.
Ino ni Njīra Njigue na niye waku Mbugua wa Wachira na umuthi ni muthenya wa magegania. We have a beautiful lady in the house. Nigumuonia no ndaika nini tu. But before tuthiete hau, subscribe, share, comment. Niki utigarĩtie kabato niko karedio na ndodo wahutia tokona ni gatana ga green wahutia. Hutia umuthi wona niki guthia na mbere. Ithuguo co-host wakwa muthenya wa umuthi. Ima Gicuki. Rito ria Gikuyu Gicuki. Wajikwa ni ba tu channel ya Gikuyu Wajikwa Gicuki. And finally the lady of the hour, Carlo. Oh, I've been waiting to say that. Jitarira miaka na miaka kuwa Carlo.
I know.
How are you?
I'm good.
Nice to see you. You're looking lovely.
Oh, really? Thank
Kile
you.
channel ya Gikuyu. You're looking so lovely ginya hana kwa rio githungu.
Oh, thank you. Yes. I appreciate that. Ni jitagwo Karo Nduta. Ugo niguo majui kuria mitandaoni. Nijui andu ingi majui Carlo. Yes, but maritwa in full ni Karo Nduta.
Karo Nduta. Ugo niguo thirikari ikui. No andu makui Carlo haria ugo ndu ku act na ka group keho actaga nako.
Yes.
Riu Caroline muthenya wa muthiri. Twanjina gukumenya ukahora. Karo umite ku?
Okay. So Karo guciarwo aciarirwo Kiambu mwena wa Githunguri. Yes. Mwena wa Githunguri handu hetagwo Kiambu ruru. That is where I was born. Kurererwo ngakirererwo Kiambu town. Ngagikurerwo Kiambu town. Yes.
Ngego kuria bara yaku ni athondekirwo ndatigite.
Kiambu ni kwega biu Kiambu ri. Rwe ni kuo ngari cirira irakitukira nginya bara ko njega. Nakwira. Yes.
Kiambu waciarirwo Kiambu uguka guthomera Kiambu town kana guthomera Kiambu ruru?
Actually, ndathomera Kiambu town. Ndathie cukuru riu nuke mundu akiendagia haria nathari ndathie ga cukuru fulani hau kari getagwo mwathani kio andingiririkana but community yari hau community hau hakuhi ACK gicoka ngikiuma hau wanu ngithie kundu gwitagwo Kikuyu River. Nona Kikuyu River, Kikuyu River, githoma wanu na tu. Tathoma na brother yakwa ari munene ari class 8. Ni kurikia rikagia ngire tu ri ari class 8. Koguo nona nako ari kuraihu tondu tuikara Kiambu no nginya riu ngia gicenjirio cukuru. Koguo day 2 ri brother yakwa ima class 8 gicenjio gitoro Kiambu primary. Koguo githomera Kiambu primary. Ndathi Kiambu primary ri makiuga atiriri tondu tutio uria ura performaga ku ri na ndio gutiari ati na some exams niguo uthie kirathi kiu kingi. So they said I had to repeat gicokera tu. Koguo ru Kiambu primary nona ndathie tu riu ni ndagicokera.
Nacokera ndukumburia cio methu aku bate
Ndari wega muno by the way, and I was a performer back then. They hau class 1 2 3 ndagi performaga wega muno ndio aria wagikire gugithukira.
Lucian shukuru ithatu like
no like two. Ithatu kuma nathari. Ru ni ndagikinya ru hau ni ndagithoma from class 2 nginya class 8. Kiambu primary. Ndireketie.
Yeah.
Ona tikuruta kurikia tondu ndakinya class 8 ri I didn't perform well in class 8. So rure na the grades I wanted ndiakinyiria guci perform. Koguo ngiuga atiriri kana gugituika toikara thi na aciari makiuga atiriri we urona atia kana ugicokere we try get good grades. Karori agicokera ringi and now I was taken to another school. He ni ma story ya kwanga ya githomo ni ndaihu tondu I was taken to another school gucokera yetagwo Komuthai.
Kiambu.
Githungu side ya Githunguri. Yes, ngitwarwo Komuthai primary. Ngithomanga mieri igana ona kuu. No ndaikaraga na another lady friend of my mom. Koguo ndaikaraga nake. So riu ndacokera kuu ndathoma mieri igana ona. By the way kuu ni ndari performer muno. No hena maundu mathire uru kuria ndaikaraga koguo I felt ndigeikarire ku ndaikaraga ringi. Let me not disclose, but I was not comfortable. Koguo gitwika no nginya njaririo ningi skuru ingi. Kisaririo skuru ingi ni ya Kiambu Dumberi primary.
Drama ona hari eri.
Koguo ru ndarikiria Dumberi primary niko ndarikiria class 8. Nona ndathi skuru nyingi few primary. Tamaka tondu riu. Tamaka.
Na ndena ru uracenjio ni maybe mukuhiriirie gwika KCSE kana waumire ri.
Taru ino yake riu ndathie Komuthai ri.
Ino ya gucokera.
Ya gucokera ri. Nona ndarutirwo before registration ya kigeranio kia class 8. Gitugitwara ru registration ya gikigire Dumberi. Ku niko ndagikire my class 8. Okay, tugithie riu kigeranio gigikiuma. I had not performed bad, but I was better than the way I was. Nilikuwa hapo maximum. Hada tugaga ni wakinyia nuthu. You get average. So I was average. That was fine. And I went to Muranga, Muguru Secondary School. It was in Muranga Kangema.
Skuru ya kuruta one county ya gutwara different county.
Yes, but my mom niwe wendaga athie kuraihu. Because again, edaga boarding school na tondu Muranga ni kwao ri, like it's my home country. Kuru nikuo tosucuru ikaraga kuu. Koguo ni amenya rimwe ndakiuma midterm ndiragioka na guku niguthie wicucu.
Mukuru. Yes. High school wa thoma ni gwika drama wi high school kana?
High school actually about drama ndabiririe de munini muno. Tondu ndathia kanitha ndari mundu wa by the way mam ni twathia PCA. Ndari PCA etagwo PCA Kangoya. Na kuu ni manyendete muno tondu ndekaga solo verses, dramas and everything. Actually right now de munini de na certificate over 20 cia the best actress.
Cia kanitha.
Yes, cia kanitha. Kundathia muno like that. So I started when I was early. Well, I mean when I was young. Yes, when I was young.
Ni ndari PCA Kambui.
Kambui. Na ndathiaga ma. Koguo tha gutire kundu itathiete. Yes. So gikiuma hau high school ndagithie ana primary ndekaga few things. Ndathi high school niko ndathire ngitwika more. To ndakorire time ria ndaingiraga ri ndakorire ari drama festival. Immediately kuingira ri ngithi ngirorera tondu ndari interested. Na ngiuga undu munini mwarimu wa drama akinyenda akinyingiria hau. So I started doing drama immediately ndaingira skuru uguo ya high school. High school ndakiri mwega, high school ndakiri immediately. Actually day form 1 I was chosen as one of the biggest prefects wa sukuru. You know, wito ni kwari na big prefects. Kwena exactly kwena big 5, so I was among the first big 5. Day form 1 ide mono like gwire actually really so tough, but no ona dio by the way ni go choose ona dio ni no wa choose ona dio wa thiri atia dare dining one of these days the dining twari on a Wednesday ni twathiaga ti parade but twathia dining diothe ukagia na briefings na ndo ciothe rumuthenya cio kwari muthenya wa prefects go choose one newly tondu na form 4 ni maraimire rute form 1 you get ne hindi twakorwo twaingira ru no nginya new prefects maigire in riu ngeigua andu ni mambiriria gwitwo and that day kuna mithenya ria tutekiraga wega ni twari umuthi ni gwikira uru umuthi ni gwikirania iguisti hana fani to tutirarorwo muno Monday Friday no nginya wikire wega tondu muraingira parade you get so Wednesday by the way hanaga fani muno ndekirite nguo njuru fiu now to hall after the briefings go ndaiguire gugitanwo the uria warora lani screw ngima gutwika it's clean gugitanwo so makiuga surprisingly we have our compound prefect being a form 1. Riu othe andu othe ni maigire bu form 1. Juu hiyo ilikuwa ina expectika ikorwo ni andu aria rua nene. Iyo ya choose andu a form 4, andu a form 3. So ona ni ndari hau akuga form 1. So kageigua and her name is Caroline Wangui Nduta. Gigwa ginya takogwa ginya ndaremirwo kuma hau. So later ndagechuzirwo na so from form 1 to form 4 I was a prefect the whole time. No I go choose after every 1 year. After every 1 year ndasokire bado. After mwaka ucio ngi ndiasokire compound, but I was still a prefect of another place. So ginya form 4 ndatuika prefect na ntwari arata muno nari muno diari snitch ndari mwega muno by the way. Riu reke ngwire nie riu and I wouldn't want my teachers to listen to this. Ndari by the way ntwendanite na arimu gutiri moni mututendanite ndari free muno na arimu. Actually ari ange magitinirio maskati ni mekirite skati guhenio na ingekirire guhe dingiatinirio. Like we were so free with teachers. But now nigidari so close na students. So twari so close atiginya anything joruire keka I was there. Gotire hadu dagaga. They hadu ga this hour. They hadu oru. They ho. Gutia hadu dagaga by the way. I was everywhere. But ndeda ako balance. Kogwari mo matioye, the bad side of me. They actually knew I was the best. But to be sincere, on a DOE, I was the worst. On a daroga maga paredi, because we were given chances to speak as prefects. Wiki yaku ya duty. Tontoka dida every prefect arena wiki yake ya duty. Daroga maginya gamera this week to make sure. By the way, our school was a mixed boarding school. It was a mixed boarding school. So twa giragio muno coupling. Twagiragio muno gwatira coupling and adu genyo ndi ndari wa bere kwirado we have noticed there's too much of coupling in school, please let us stop. Not kiumo oguo kirathi ni wa bere ndra moto bodi ari bere na mundu akore ni wa bere kwanza na mani go gamera you guys mode isieni. So I was like that and ndekagati both sides between the teachers and the students. Now there is no day on they don't know do get arimu by the way. Any bad thing that kora what they were better. No again, bado diarimu no. Yes.
Na hidaririo the way prefect okay kuma form 1.
Yes.
Bado wathire na drama kuma form 1 ginya kurekia form 4.
Actually, dathire na drama kuma form 1 gina gutire drama dagaga. I was almost the lead wa dramas cause sukuru sio there actually ona Muranga yo there. I think ariothe twathomaga now the whole of Muranga knew me kama the best wa story na acting. Apart from that, on Nduta Alliance twathie masidano nao mathia moretie karo yuko ulede mo madrama yuko maigwa deho they were losing hope. They knew I will win. So I did this for so long and the last year the form 4 githikurikia ndekire bado drama arimu ni marega principal ni arega gatonio na gandikurikia drarikia na niko maybe it would have interfered with my studies but ndai thire na geka and the form 4 githie ginya nationals that time I had to nidari mwega muno in terms of speaking. Kogo ni dekaga ginya public speaking. I know, right? You can relate. I was very good kwa public speaking. So hiyo time ya public speaking pia ni dari na drama festival. Na sio the nidasi date. So ni dadi ya nationals ya public speaking na drama ndadi ya kiria nationals na sio kiria the same time. So that I choose between the two. I choose on drama to ndedete drama muno gitigana na public. Gidi drama I was doing a solo verse. Gidi na Nakuru. But then I chose in Nakuru. Ni miaka mingi mithiru over 10 years back.
Yes. Miaka ni uhithiete?
Over 10 years back. So back then I was rated the best reciter the whole country. I was competing that computer na all the schools sasa no nationals ne maskuru maria the best
Kamusinga boys.
Yes. No rikana hedi okwina hedi etagwate uyu wasidaga muno ma solovas dikirikana ritwa rya keba he had dikimurikana
ni mundu wekaine ndio kwa Utongolo.
Utongolo. Yes, Utongolo, yes. Back then they were working muno and I went and nikamtoa and I became number 1. I was rated the best reciter the whole country. Gekiro ma gatheti ine giro ma radio ine. But anyways, and that was it. Since then how neho datigide. Yes.
Acting ya sukuru.
Plus pia the other life ginyarira dagisokire later, but how geba getiga no you have other things to do. Yes.
It's nice tondu uga I never knew that side of you. Dio ati hey ndi wana ikiro ngatheti-ini, dio ati hey ndi wana sinda ke. And actually andu tuire utongolo ndiwe the best reciter up to date.
Now back there now sasa hiyo nilikuja nikamtoa nikamwin tuare nake ginya that particular day na riu ngithi go present ando the marima guy ni ule dem ando the actually get present kuti mundu enda ukoro ija because I was very good when it came to like dramas and solo verses and so on and so forth.
Tutano ma high school turete kumari makomaga ati amwe mixed.
Ni twari na doms ya iretu ciari mwena uria doms ya nake ciari mwena uria so we had like tuagayanitio no nawe ungionekanire side ya nake it would have been a very big deal but tiga guthie na dom near where the doms are. Yes.
Gatagatĩ nĩ kĩwanja nĩ cukuru tondũ nianga ingĩathomera cukuru ta ĩyo ingĩrĩ na mwana manake njuge ma.
I know, right? But I was so disciplined again. Yes, nĩ ndarĩ kũu coupling no kwĩna area ũraigua rĩu we teenage rĩu nĩ ũrenda tondũ tũu nĩ hĩndĩ ũrani introduced kwĩ so anyways I was into it na nĩ ndakoraga nĩ ndĩratũrakĩenda na 1 2 3 na tũwaganu haha na harĩa no it didn't come a time where ati ni dekorire in a situation where ati ni gukorwo na mwanake ati in such a situation ya ukorwo ati kimapenzi hivyo na hivyo. Yes. Yes.
I need to know the story ya kwamaka after high school
Yes.
nĩ tũgũthiĩ kĩrĩa campus college.
So after high school nĩ daima nĩ ndendaga gũthiĩ gwĩka nursing no maundu akikinya hau wendi ukiona ndukwikira wendi so high school ndarikia high school ndarithie njike my mom wanted me to go do nursing but unfortunately nie ndiendaga nursing nie ndendaga gwika journalism because that's something I really loved but you niarigagwo ndendaga thi around Nairobi but journalism nyingi ciina guku kiria like iyo time ciari guku Nairobi na kii so my mom was not comfortable and then riu gigikorana na mundu wakihendirie uguo nge mage gihenio tamaka tawire so gikihenio ngirega guthie sukuru I started dating then like now I got into a serious relationship giaga gwikatia gwithii na githomo and then mundu uria ndakire nake akembere kujira because the nursing ndarithie njike KMTC ya Naikuru kaje that's too far how will I be coming to see you na tondu ni kawendo karia kambere ni kiuria gagikua mundu ngeigua mani rigegerie mani rigegetekera so I told my mom I was not ready ngambiriria gukorwo na riu ngiuga riu reke ngidate to nitaguo riu ngigethia high school ya dating college
no ni mwatiganire ni mwatiganire kana bado muri kana ni past
okay so ni twathire wega reke tuge ntwagethire na tugigethie na maundu magithie wega and we were together for like 10 good years. 10 good years tukapata watoto. Yes, I got 2 kids, 2 boys, 2 cute boys. Umwe almost next month akakora gikinya 7 years. The other one is like 2 years and some 2 years and like 5 months. Yes. Negwa guthiaga metagwo maista.
Riu koguo nursing ukiamba guteaniria
nursing reke tuge ngiamba guteaniria guo na ngikihika so I didn't like get married immediately after high school but ni twaikaragira twaditie for like 2 years tondake ndagwika ikino ngomanu agiuga ndigugika ngikiingira uria tukiingiraga uria twakimenyerire kamiste and so like dating we dated for like 2 years and then now marriage in 8 years like 8 years. Yes, and that was it. Yes, I'm mama boys, but that doesn't mean that tutiaragia bado. We still talk. We are actually in good terms. Twaragia pio ona ntokora ntuthie out na ciana tugathie tukajibamba tugasoka hihi ni undu wa ciana
Ayash.
Ajetie ha. Adiada kage. I used to say, when I'm 30, I don't, like, daturajugaga day 30, dikenda kugia mwana after 30. Na rĩu tondũ ndĩkĩrĩ hau I don't feel like comfortable gũcoka ho. No kĩoĩ mũndũ ndakimenyaga Ngai maũndũ make ndũngĩkĩmenya. No njuge ũguo mũcoka mĩigua ũcio anga Karo nĩ wekĩrĩa. Kaweke tuge atĩrĩrĩ. For me, I don't want another kid. I feel like I'm comfortable. Nĩ okire nake ndathimithia na twana twĩrĩ. 2 cute boys, so I thank God. So apart from me being a mom and me acting, I'm also a businesswoman. Need into business, mono. But by the way, I'm a very business-minded woman. Need into business, na de a mother, na deke na na content. Content nyo do nyedete content. Kogwo later after kuikara nigodokire giona atiriri why no actually it's kitambo. I just started content last year tu nigodajiririe gisoka into it. So now nikiguhejania haha hariri nidakirikia skuru nidabiriria ku date. What am I doing? So how nidathire kabuni flani nidabiriria tu wira. Okay, first ndadikirwo kawira flani darita wita gusienko kabere kare kwedia to like lights isido electric whatever isido electronics gikia dedia for some time kisoka gikuma gediko tawita adota kwa Destiny Gardens no amiona gediko tawita giwakwak bosa kejita kijira kam ridra kurora no riora savado dirona kai wewe wakirathi giki. I feel like you're more into something else than, like, you can do better than what you're doing right now. So gejira gimuria nikiadira kijira kota ngiambiriria gukorwo yo MC wito. Meanwhile to drona wewe na potential nina nto nijue kwaria regiuka. Can you get into MCing? Get into MCing, get to MC wa Destiny Garden for some time. Gigeka gisoka gikiuma giona wira hado hage. A bit official. Gigithie kudugeta go Nielsen ni a sales company. Githie 1 week gipromote gitweka assistant manager kogonda thiagaja here and there kuthikurora tu wira because I was good when it came to speaking. So I don't anymore nagatiriri this anaka ko dithiete sukuru matiwe dithiete sukuru anyways like college or university, but odo oria daragia na kiri I was so good, so they felt I would fit really well in that. Gigitweka assistant manager gikiruta wira for like a year. For like an year or 2 years. Gisoka giuma hau giandiko kuduko gikwa miadi dathiururukaga ma taturaga thiururukaga, but in the midst ya guthiururuka tigo dakigia ihu
Rarita uru
akiririo togikũrĩte gwatia ndatuĩka mũritũ. Okay, na ti mũrigo ndagĩtuĩka mũritũ. Ndagĩtuĩka mũritũ and nidaremererwo nidagire a problem with my tagodo etago kina no kaigagio boss it's kaigagio oh my god appendix niki na gikoyo no neo neo riu. So ngigithie ngirwo ina infection ni ndaremagwo guthie, so ndaremererwo like guthie like maguru tondra wira uria ndararuta ni wa walk kogo ndathire ngiremererwo kogo ngituika ni guikara nyumba. I stayed in the house for some time. Thina no akihura ni wajita ni wahua miruri where I went through an audio story yako ikoragwo very tough by the way. So that time ni daki, and remember they married na my husband then ni arutaga wira na akĩambĩrĩria business yake kiuga atiriri atondambĩrĩria business yakwa ri reke ndigane na kwandĩkwo riu na nijigire into business ni manyitana na mwanake ungi maigira into business na kiri mwanake ori after kuona mbia nyingi mekaga printing na like design and printing maribiriria wira wao akiura na mbia ciothe kogwo naguo ri ni twacoka zero. Kogwo ithuothe twi nyumba ni atiga wira wa kwandikwo, ithuothe twi nyumba ni ndatiga, kogwo ithuothe twi nyumba, kogwo ni twathire twahitukire through tough times. Twahitukire through tough times to an extent twaikara nyumba tathi kwitha tugwo tutari twaria no turathika no turorania tukaro cinia kanjuria tiriri Ajita Milo. Akaja atiri, Milo, unasikia aje? Unasikia fiti? Na hujakula? Na unacheka? Gambira na tunacheka. Tukaima kaja twende, gambira twende kwa barabara tukatembe. Turatuthiaga barabara ona ni yatui. We used to walk. Oh my God, we would walk. Runtu turatuthia bara na eva twathia tunyitanite moko tuthithie barabara. Tutiendaga kumenya ni kiria ni twina tuko like we are hungry or not. Ama ni kirathi na mbere, like we used to stay together even when we didn't have like cash. Tugikara twathia ru gwakinya tuko gwakinya kindu thai thainya cio tuko andu makihinga mawira ru twoimaga tukathi tukera nawe ugere mwena uria na ningere mwena uria o mundu athia kiroraga thi tuone kana nitukuona ta 10 uguo kana 20. And God was so faithful because hakuna siku tungeambiana tutoke tukatafute na tukose. We used to get tuona 10 tukathi tukagura gumu ici kila mtu moja. Remember, I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. Kogo ntwa hitukiria through tough times a lot. Nitwa Adomusire. Actually, they knew the case. Na rimwe ni maikaraga magatutumira ta magana meri. If my mom would send me like 200 because on my mom dekaga like she wasn't doing so well. So ona akerire atari sawa agedumiria magana meri nitwa ntoigaga magana maya meri muno. Kaba tugure ngumu inya turi mundu igirigire tutware for some time. Tondu magana maya meri gasi tutire na gasi ni thiru. Ru ni ugure gasi tondu ona magura irio ni irenda kuruguo ni ugure gasi kana ni wiki atia. So where do you even start? So we used to have very tough times by then. Koguo life ni endereire oguo tukiona aratangi matwitaga kwao. They used to call like rosine twathia breakfast kwao raji na sapa. Koguo twathia rosine toikara kuma rosine tukaria ginya raji tukaria ginya sapa. Ru twarikia kuria sapa tukainuka. Koguo twathia tugikara kuma rosine ginya hoine. Muthuri nake aracaria wira darona. He used to tamak tuikaraga Zimmerman. He used to tamak kwa jia Zimmerman guthie ginya tauni na agacoka maguru guthie gucaria wira ni agire fare ya gucoka ni ndire nawe ingimuteithia. Koguo ru athie ri agicoka ri ru anjira ni gukokite na ni ngaimira barabara ngathi kumutunga ku bara kuria rugongo katangathi ru sambu ru tugacokania nake uguo maguru ru tugoka tukiaragia tha icio uria hutite mani akigoranga kimuhe hope tondu gutie kindu kingi ngikimuhe tukagikara maisha magagiconga enda guy katare maisha let's say nigukinyeka handu andu
akana wania
takuroga dia you know you remember as I said dahikire day very young. I was very young. Immediately I was out of high school nigo da kora na mundu nigo twajia ku date. Ona kigeranio gitiimite by the way ngiambiriria ku date na this guy. Koguo ndari mu young muno by the way no onai. So ria mundu arakura ri no guo mundu athia akirealizaga no anyita. So I think maybe got to a place dikuga niwe wari na thina kana dikuga ni nie, but ni gwakinyire handu tukiria mano. For me I felt there are things I would not have taken. Giona reke day career na akiona reke career, so we parted ways. That is why drakwira ona tha ici ni twaragia ona tha ici ngimuhurira thimu tukwaria wega pio ona no uge ai munyo mutiganite. Yes, we not together but we respect each other. Na the fact that he's the father to my kids and I'm the mother to his kids no ginya to respect ene, you get. So no akiona life ni yage dio guo keke ni gwakinya hindi ya kugia mwana ni twagerera gacira twakinya hindi ya kugia mwana time yote Ngai ni okire tondu andu are ni maitekera gutuheaga irio no anyita koguo ntwariaga kuo no rimo nao ni makinya handu matire koguo ni twigaga atiriri tukirie tutinde tukome tukire kindu mathaa mangita thaa thita nigo ru tuthie tunywe cai thaa twarugaga koko tunywe koko ku kwao thaa 7 nigo ru turie sapa na riu no narajitirio ni gacai tukagura ta tukeki tatu na kila mtu moja na life inasonga. So ntwagithirio guo gikinya hindi ya kugia mwana. Hindi ya kugia mwana ndina ginya ciringi. I didn't even have a shilling. Diari onaki. My mom had sent me ni andumirie like 200 like thikå igä before thiete kũgĩa mwana na magana maya merĩ tũtiendaga kũmatũmĩra tondũ tuonaga mwana no ũke anytime rĩu magana maya merĩ tũigaga nĩguo gwakinya hĩndĩ ya gũthiĩ kũgĩa mwana no ngari tũkoya cia gũthiĩ Kiambu thingĩre mwana Kiambu hospital because now back then gũtiakĩrĩhagio kwarĩ sawa koguo rĩu twendaga thingĩre mwana Kiambu hospital rĩu gũgĩkinya nĩ hĩndĩ ya gũthiĩ kũgĩa mwana ndirĩ kĩndũ mũthenya ũcio ndahũrĩte nguo mũno by the way I was so hard working even time any tondu ru no ndarega uko ndi hard working no ukiarute wira I used to do everything mũthenya ũcio rĩu ndari na nguo cia ta wiki tahũrĩte koguo ndacihũrire mũno ngĩhũria mikanda yothe that day after kurikia nguo guo ndatudurwo ni mugongo mũno so I was like ukaudhuwe nasikia siko poa akanisugua and then akatoka akaenda kutafuta tu. So when he came back ona nigwetwetirwo ni aratakwa tondu acio tondamire mi venye nasikia ni kama siko poa ru later ndambiririe kindu thaa 8 kwi ona Monday ngambiriria kindu thaa 8 ruo ki ikinya kindu thaa 3 ngĩigua ruo ni rukire biũ koguo no arikanda magana maria meri ngimira riu ri tutafanya aje akijira tuthii haria ga chemist no tuthire ga chemist uthiororwo kana ni kuhingũka rahingũka kama you like it's time now. Yes. If it's time, tuthie Kiambu immediately. If it's not time, tuweterere. Tugikioyana. Aya arata itu makiuga atiri ni tukuriha guthimwo kari magana 3 tugithie ga chemist flani. Not ka chemist, it was like a small hospital. Yes. But ni mari na delivery now. Ni makorona but normal only. Tugigikinya dagitari akidora adora akiuga atiriri I'm 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. Yes, dilated. So ru gemera akiuga ati 2 centimeters gemera so akija now akira muthuri 2 centimeters na ru hari ekinyite uyu ri kugia mwana wega no rucio kindu thaa 8 atoigwa no rucio kindu thaa 8 ri I was like tuko sawa no tuthie tuikare nilebe tu kwa nyumba alafu asubuhi ili kukue na gari tuamke twe so ru twariri twina time enough ya kuliba tugigithie tukiuga tusoke kwa aratari itu makiuga twendeni huko ili tukue sisi wote tulebe like ulebe tukiwa hapo in case of anything kwikindo the nyanya cio tukore something told me don't stay there get out gimwira ni ndio ndiraigua atia but something is telling me tutoke huku twende kwetu akija guys sai ge insist tugithie kufika tu hivi kwa nyumba niguo mai mabreakire riu nyumba so I think that was why my spirit was just telling me just go to your place rumai magigithie rumagigituthukira kuu immediately na ruo rugitweka ri too much nona netha nyanya gutire ngari gutire bia cia Uber koguo ndĩtia Uber ntucoke ku gathibitari karia tugicoka gathibitari karia ruo ni rwatweka too much dagitari akiuga ni ndirenderea wega so ndingiacokire mucii koguo ni njikare hau actually tugithie thibitari ri twakoranire na ici tondu kwari thaa 8 cio tuko kindu na nuthu twakorana na ici mokite rumagioka gutuia ri makiona ni kuri bandara bona ni kunyitirwo kiuga magitheka othe uyu achana na uyu achaende kadhaa that is what they said so akaniwacha we went to the hospital tugikara akigirio kuingira akigirio yani guikara nanie koguo makiuga makiinuka kitu saa 5 in the morning no igwa aigete ngacera rucio thaa 8 so we were sure we wanted ati lebe ginya rusini thaa 8 runa the private kaunega private ndire ginya siringi
na wina nguo cia mwana
kugia mwana ndari nacio tondu hena hindi muthiri athia kiruta kawira kanini akamuhe bia agiuka akindehera ciothe ngigura tukuo so I was okay kindu 5 rusini ri niguo ndagire mwana so ili harakisha from saa 8 it was only 3 hours I labored 3 good hours gigia mwana kugia mwana riu ndakimuhurire agiuka riu agiuka kira dagitari maraiga atiriri ni rusini ni agirirwo kuriha niguo dagitari utuku maime arusine maingire ena nginya siringi it's like wow riu ni twanjie ku then there was another man endagia nduka hau niho tuoyaga ngumu ni hena hindi ai ni hinteire ni korona bia cia guciara iria now zile pesa za kuzaa gimuhurira thimu wakwa nkora yahura ngimira ona zile pesa bado unapeananga kijira ngimira nataka 7000 nitakupatia tu hii wiki utaniambia venye itakuwa imezana pesa ngapi kanambia sawa ni Shylock yes sawa ngimira tuma kwa hii namba gimutumira namba kumutumira uguo namba thimu ikihora immediately nake akihurira namba iyo nimemoni kwekea pesa hapa eka gituma runake agicoke so bold tondu hindi yo ruera kadagitari I'm waiting for the banks to be opened. The banks are not open. The banks are not opened. I need to wait for the banks. So no ginya mwetere tha igire bengi cihingurwo nguthi ngarute mbia. So and the truth of the matter was gutiare ginya ciringi bengi iyo. Twagithire thuruci riu bia cia gitumwo ni okiria kimuria ni bia cigana akiriha kigiothe na nie ndagitari mandora makiuga ndi sawa ndigukoma ku. So they said she's very okay. Yona ni agia mwana wega, everything was okay. Koguo ni inuke. Ni hau ngeinuka. I think that was the beginning of my blessings. Todo immediately kugia mwana gukinya nyumba. My mom now ni adomanire indo nyingi muno because endagia thoko. So ni adomanire indo maingi muno cia thoko, waru muingi, carrots, nini, everything. And then now my mother-in-law na kiagioka na shopping ya supermarket, rice, kila kindu, maguta, everything. So nyumba ikihura atia akinya agikora gutire gasi na ndari na gasi ya 25 kgs yari nene C14 now ile kubwa kabisa ya 25 kgs ukakijikirira yothe so runtu amenyire tu sorted. Do you know, after 2 days my husband got a job immediately akihurirwo there is a job can utadu I mean tadu gituro wira ari hago ngiri 30 gituro wira agithie wira so we are good run de museire ni dati wodeika. Remember wira rugutiri undu angika koguo kira 5 agatiga ndugero curu agatiga therukiria kiria mahindi mathufu na irio akandigira hau agathie ni riu nani ngagitigwo ngika maundu maria mangi kone nguhura nguo cia mwana na citu ndani ndekaga ndaigagirira tu iguru ngerutira wira. So iyo time yote ya mtoina nini we suffered a lot. No really na wira at least maundu ni mathire makinyihanyihaga na ni after kugia mwana like 6 months later after kugia mwana like 5 months giturwo wira ungi where I went. I was like a secretary. Geruta mweri umwe. After a month, the boss called me. Arutaga UK. Kehoria kijatiri Karo. Darora muno na dona atiriri ni kwari na manager. You are the best fit for a manager position. Darora ogwo drona anyway. Dreigwa wira waku we better. So I feel like you gemirate guy what of the other lady? Akija no don't worry. She has to go. I was like, dear, irugwe kati ya dari hago giritu adiria dade kwa secretary. Kijirari uwe you have to fit into the manager position. Runia jirani yari kidi haga giria ga 35. Tiari nyiki, at least 35,000. Kigirani dake na kenia futiro gigira into the manager position. Na tutiaragia muno by the way. But I'm so good in everything that I do. I'm so good. Kikigira kikajego kiruta wira here and there. Na ndarutire wira wega muno. I used to bring a lot of money to that business back then. And ahoyaga muno by the way. Not sales, rune traveling. I'm into traveling industry now. Ni dakiruta wira ndaruta miaka iganona maudu magithie wega. Now nasikia nimefika. I was now doing very well in life. Na my husband agekaroni lose wira. Nona ame lose ile job ingine. So now rune ni now to stand in the gap. Nani onagioka hano ye I stood in the gap. Hakuna place nilifika nikamwachilia at any point. Nidamu support the family. Na everything. Gutiri kedo itekaga na gutiri mundu wamenyaga by the way. At least right now no jari oguo. But no one knew. Ginya aciari mangianjuririe. Ona ingiaguririe gikombe ndaigaga tamakara arokiri arani surprise na ikombe ndrakora ni arehire. Like I was so private with my life. And life continued na tukaishi vizuri, maisha ikaendelea. COVID came. COVID came. Koguo ri nitwatiga nona ndege ni ciahingirwo gutire guthie koguo ntwaingira nyumba. So now what do I do is find another job. Gicaria wira ungi ona niwe wanjariria actually. Kijariria wira ungi I got into the other job. Darutaga ta customer service. Kiume darutaga ta customer service. So yeah, not CCI, place ilikuwa inaitwa Majorel. Unajua? Yeah. So I used to do calls and izo emails na whatever. Gikiendelea after like a year I was again promoted to a manager. Now again I'm a manager. So everywhere I've gone, like every other company area thiaga, I don't know why, but every company area go thie gutiri hindi nduga magahari ade. Ever either within a week within ona niyo yade yari the longest. Ndianindire mwaka no almost an year. I got promoted to a team manager. So I worked as a team manager up to last year? Last year? Yes, I think last year March. Hau niho rudatigire. Na ndiatigire ni undu wake ni the company yacenjirio githi Mombatha ti gucenjio kwina andu mari guku no riu haria ni ndarutaga na kiria ya bolts ngiuma hau ngitwarwo riu yothe ni athi Mombatha. I went to Mombasa but they are comfortable to my family yari here ni undu wa ciana so yabidire nyume Mombatha njoke guku na ona ni by the time ndathiaga Mombatha already I had opened my own company traveling. No amenya ru ni dari na yes experience na customer service yes so now I open my own company till date. Yes, so I'm my own boss. Yeah, I have a company by the name Fika Overseas. I assist people with this with like visas. Maybe you want visas to the UK, you don't know how to go about it. Hujui how to deal with things about traveling. It's a consultancy firm. You come consult at a fee definitely. Alafu I guide you through the whole process. Yes. 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 Yes, that really after ni datiga majorel datiga last year March datiga immediately no riu no na my husband nitokire riu tukihingura wira riu ndahingura okay twahingura wira uyu twahingurire ri ni okire riu tukambiriria kuruta nake so ye niwe wi guku na ndathi kuria so riu ndatigirie kuria niguo ndokire tukambiriria kuruta wira nake fully. Yes.
Oh, now before to get haruga has the career and something.
Yes.
Ukugete wa mamonye daga weke nursing no wewe daga journalism. Duration you know the goti had like ebulu did.
Actually there's something I didn't mention. In 2016 I was given an opportunity Kameme and
TV
FM.
Oh.
But the reason as to why did akomiaririria muno because there was something that happened ni darutire kidogo but there was someone uria wani connected there ni kugoragorire ngika those things akinyenda muno because aiguire no jike. By the way, I'm a very good presenter in Kikuyu, by the way. In Kikuyu. Okay. No, I can do something small for like nijikaga adverts nidikaga kiria. Yeah, voiceovers. Maybe I can do a voiceover. Yes. Rundagi ukakameme. Ukwenda hure demo. Okay. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi ni yeheretie ndosho nicio penalties ona njoherera hari aria mena thire wa land rates. Mweke uyu ni kwambiriria September 1 nginya 30th. Aria magakorwo na mathiri thutha ucio ni maramenyithio ni thirikari ya Nairobi ati ni magatahwo niguo thirikari irihe thiri wayo. Horo makiria hura gifugu 717 na hato 7 Yes, I do that. I can host very well, by the way. I'm a very good host in terms of Kikuyu. Yes. Na maundu tamasio.
Ugithiatia.
Hidio ya nidaheo wira Kamemeri. It was a very good job. Actually, right now, kon nida continue there, I would be a very big deal. But unfortunately, dia thire na bere todo dia wakire sana todo hena mundu ria wadwarite ni ademandire more from me. Na you know ladies goko jari mwe men sometimes can be bad. They can decide if I'm giving you this if I give you this opportunity, why not? If I'm giving you this, why not? So there was the why not, and me I felt digia hotire na why not. Muthikiriria wito wa muthenya wa mothe ni ndamunyita ogeni tafarire-ini no itu ya Njīra Njigue. Muthenya wa mothe tugakinyitanira na mugeni wito. So that's it. Yes, I can host, I can do news. By the way, I can host, I can do news, I can do voiceovers, I can do everything. That's not even yes. No menye ti guthoma thomete. This is something that grew in me. Yes.
Yes. Nenda kutoa news.
Ninawaga but I don't know. Guthomeri cool guy. Oh my God.
Kana accident.
Reke nitukurikiria neyo githi sawa.
Nituoka 2016 riu tumaha covid. Majorel nĩ yathire no acoka biacara-inĩ ndĩrenda kuona rĩu kalo
so nĩ ndakĩrĩkia ũhoro wa macovid ndangĩingĩra wĩra ndaima kũrĩa Majorel nĩ ndarĩ too tight tondũ ndakoraga ndaingĩraga in shifts maybe ũgũkora ndĩ shift ya rũcinĩ nguma oro hwainĩ ngome rũcinĩ ningĩre shift rĩngĩ kana ndĩ shift ya ũtukũ rũcinĩ no nginya ngome nĩguo hote kũingĩra shift again nĩwona ndiarĩ na time ya content nĩwona ndiarĩ na time completely so koguo rĩ ndoka kũgĩa time later rĩrĩa ndaima Majorel rĩu ndĩna kambuni yakwa so I have enough time to do this rĩu nĩ ndagĩũka hena mwanake wetagwo Promise tũkĩnyitanĩra na Promise mũthenya ũmwe thiĩte my own acting rĩu nĩ ndaingĩra into acting industry no rĩu ndekaga ici the Showmax way you get it so ngambĩrĩria the Showmax way ndĩ kũu rĩ ĩyo hĩndĩ ndĩtĩtwo ya Citizen ya yenye ilikuwa ya Becky nĩyo twathiaga gwĩka so ndĩ Becky ngĩkorana na mwanake wetagwo Promise akĩnjĩra atĩrĩrĩ guy you mean you do Kikuyu things hadi mimi si tuchape moja tukachapa content moja hiyo content moja yenye nilichapa na yeye makijira atĩrĩ fungua TikTok account that was last year now he got a TikTok account kama mimi siko sure kama he got a imagine utakula makeni insist he got a TikTok account Ru Promise ni akinja hado akijatiri kuna jamaa anaitwa Kababa mnaweza kuwa mnafanya na yeye sijui kama unajua Kababa na acting kama mtoto umemwona Kababa moikage na a few things can introduce kwa Kababa akakuja we started doing few things yendea na yeye na Kababa akijira atiriri ni turathie shoot ya SP Chege you can know SP Chege
ndrana ritwa riu there's this name anapenda kutumia
Kababa akienda yenda hivi or something
yeah
so SP Chege tukinyitana na SP Chege agithii ngambiriria gwikata a daughter to SP Chege a rich daughter to SP Chege
is this content in YouTube
it's on TikTok ngambiriria gwikata twambire gwikana Kababa bisoka ngithiru ngikana SP Chege Kababa niwe wadwara ku SP tugikaka na SP hiyo content kaanza kukula by the way adu ni homa abiririe kumenyera so back then ile content nilikuwa nafanya I was doing as a bad daughter nwanyita uria ukoragwo na mwana rich na donaga ari angikari andu you get so I started doing that later SP ni atwikire busy hanini tondu ni abiririe gwika indo cia theater so akakuwa busy kidogo most of the time twakoraga days cia go shoot dariho
so
theater ni kuhitania twitanirie so gekora nake SP agita wa kefini you get so on one day ya content ya SP wa kefini agiuka so how ni tutakorania na wa kefini tukakuwa mabesti agiuka ta maita matatu so tukakuwa mabesti na magiuka na mwili twitagwo Waithira Waithira
yeah I know Waithira
yes
tukomore soon
napio nini vizuri si tuingie into it kwa mimi sina noma unataka tushutingi lini akijawe na yule busy ngivena no dute muthenya umwe wakwa wa wira like Thursdays tukakono niyo na the videos alafu hapo tukaanza kuongea kidogo so hiyo day tukaongea tukakata story after like 3 days ningetokearia rege tena tukakata story after another 3 days again akiriguo nake nikiarakira kwa kijariria kijirani aje you good tukiaragia hau so hapo tukakuwa mabeshte so like niguo ruto agioka na Kababa ru twike content okaga go shoot Kababa muthenya ucio ru agioka twike content na Kababa na akia to shoot so then sasa hapo ndio tukakuwa so close and then now juu tumekuwa mabeshte tukaanza kuitiana sleepovers so you come sleep over to watch movie na nini tukaenda hivyo tukakuwa best of friends bond ndio hata sijui kasa inaweza enda mahali kama Waithira is not there actually right now we are too much of friends now kushinda kila mtu mwingine mwenye tulimit na yeye my family hakuna mtu amjui Waithira hakuna mtu familia yake anijui like we have made sure tumekuwa like that much she's like a sister oh my god yeah oh mwana ure atakiri gwakoragwo yes ni kumbe address no hari mimi ndiraga uri athekaga yes yes Okay. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Which one? Okay. Okay. So to any person we hauja, because I get very many texts by the way, inboxes za Karo, mi niko na talent, mi act, mi do, nitafanya aje. Mi naambianga mtu, unajua pia our group yenye tuko nayo hatuwezi take in kila mtu. You understand? So in case nikose kukuambia kuja, please don't misquote me. You understand? Don't misunderstand me. Nitodo tutigete kila modo, eh? But what I tell someone, start from somewhere. Do something. Let people know you from there. Nie dabiriria na ke, dabiriria gwekana dekire one video na promise. I said that. Aya, promise akejate abato niureka wegai. Like you're going to introduce modoge. Maybe that one content ili gweka au modoge amione akona aya. I character ni poa. Tunaweza mchukua tufanye na yeye. You understand? Na maybe uko yana mood adwage maybe anene gukira idwe haria turi, because right now yes decorated to that level, but at least I'm somewhere, you know. I'm also hoping kuendelea nikigrow. So on a modowe hauja, please don't give up. If you have that talent, do it. Do something small, let people see it, and labda utaifanya upate hata you don't need a collab with anyone. Adone metekira your content on a wewe ika. Because there are people who are doing content alone na wanafanya vizuri sana. Like Waithera most of the time does her contents alone. Na watu wamemwaccept sana into the industry, you know. So why not? So if you're there, you have talent, please go ahead and do whatever makes you happy. Yeah? Yes. Niye de na TikTok, na Facebook only. And go there, majuita Karo Duta. Yes. Yes. Oh my God. Hey. Kai. Okay. Target korora. What I'm gonna do. Hey. On the spotlight. I do. Anakia nini ni makoretwo makiregana na thirikari iria twenayo makiuga ati igukorwo one term, na ithu tukakiyuria atiriri na inyue murona uhoro uyu atia ni tuguthie na mbere kana tugukirugamira hau. Tukorane rucio mathaini ma thaa 7 nini wanyu CW.